Hello everyone, let's talk about this thought. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Emphasize the idea that achieving greatness, success or recognition requires significant effort, hard work and sometimes sacrifice. Here's a detailed breakdown of this metaphor. Shine like a sun. The sun is a symbol of brilliance, warmth and light. To shine like a sun means to stand out, to be exceptional and to be a source of inspiration and energy for others. It represents the principle of success and visibility. Burn like a sun. To burn like a sun refers to intense processes that occurs within the sun, primarily nuclear fusion. This process involves immense pressure and temperature, transforming hydrogen into helium and releasing vast amount of energy. It is the powerful and demanding process that requires extreme conditions, interpretation and explanation, effort and sacrifice, hard work. Just as a sun's brilliance is a result of intense internal processes, achieving a higher level of success requires dedication and hard work. It's not enough to want the end result. One must be willing to put in the necessary effort. Next is endurance challenges. The burning aspects also implies enduring difficulties and challenges. Success often comes with the obstacles that must be overcome through perseverance and resilience. Next is transformation and growth, includes in personal development. To shine, individuals must undergo personal growth and transformation, much like how the sun transforms element at its core. This can involve acquiring new skills, gaining knowledge, and improving oneself continuously. Next is pushing limits. The process of burning signifies pushing beyond comfort zones and limitations. Growth often occurs when one is willing to face the discomfort and take risks. Next is commitment and patience. Involves in consistent effort. The sun's energy output is constant and unwavering. Similarly, consistent and sustained effort is crucial for long-term success. Next is passionate pursuit. The metaphor of burning also relates to passion. Being passionate about one's goals fuels the drive to keep going even when the journey is tough. Next is impact and influence. Involves in inspiring others. By burning brightly through hard work and perseverance, one can inspire and influence others, much like how the sun's light and warmth impact life on earth. Next is leaving a legacy. Achieving greatness often means leaving a lasting impact akin to how the sun is to central and enduring presence in our solar system. In summary, this quote encapsulates the essence of achieving brilliance and success. It requires intense effort, personal transformation, enduring challenges, and a passionate commitment to one's goal. Just as the sun's shine is a result of its internal burning processes, one's success is the outcome of hard work and perseverance. Thanks for watching.